Hello guys, this is Raghava and welcome back to our channel The Gate World. We are back with another video, and in this video we are going to discuss about 2008 IT question. This question belongs to algorithms concept. Let me read out the question for you. When n equal to 2 power 2k for some k greater than or equal to 0, the recurrence relation t of n equal to root 2 times t of n by 2 plus root n and t of 1 equal to 1 evaluates to. He has given some recurrence equation and he is asking the value of that recurrence equation. So let me write the recurrence equation for you. T of n equal to root 2 times t of n by 2 plus root n if n not equal to 1 and 1 if n equal to 1. So this is the recurrence equation, and he has also given the condition that n equal to 2 power 2k. So using this, we have to find the value of that recurrence relation. If we choose Master's theorem, it will give the asymptotic notation of the recurrence relation. So we have to find another method, and I am going to use substitution method. In substitution method, consider the original recurrence equation. T of n equal to root 2 times t of n by 2 plus root n. So in order to find the value of t of n, we have to find the value of t of n by 2. So how to find the value of t of n by 2? In order to find the value of t of n by 2, we have to substitute n by 2 in place of n in the original recurrence equation. So the value of t of n by 2 equal to root 2 times t of n by 2 by 2 plus root 2 of n by 2. This is equal to root 2 of t of n by 2 square plus root over n by 2. Now substitute t of n by 2 value in original recurrence equation. Therefore, t of n equal to root 2 times, in place of t of n by 2, substitute the equation we obtained, that is root 2 times t of n by 2 square plus root over n by 2 plus root n. On simplifying this, we get root 2 square t of n by 2 square plus root 2 into root over n by 2 equal to root n, again plus root n. It implies root 2 square t of n by 2 square plus 2 root n. Now we have to find the value of t of n by 2 square. So substitute n by 2 square in place of n. T of n by 2 square equal to root 2 into t of n by 2 square by 2 plus root over n by 2 square. This gives root 2 into t of n by 2 cube plus root over n by 2 square. Now substitute t of n by 2 square in original recurrence equation, that is t of n equal to root 2 whole square into, in place of t of n by 2 square, we have to substitute this root 2 into t of n by 2 cube plus root n by 2 square plus 2 root n. Now t of n equal to root 2 whole cube into t of n by 2 cube plus root n plus 2 root n, that equal to root 2 whole cube t of n by 2 cube plus 3 root n. Similarly, after 2k substitutions, we get t of n equal to root 2 power 2k t of n by 2 power 2k plus 2k into root n. In the question, he has given that n equal to 2 power 2k. So now t of n by 2 power 2k becomes t of 1, which is equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of k in terms of n. So consider this equation and apply log of base 2 on both sides. Then we get log of n base 2 equal to log of 2 power k base 2. This gives log of n equal to 2k and k equal to 1 by 2 log n, k equal to log n power 1 by 2, that equal to log root n. Now consider the recurrence equation we got after 2k substitutions. T of n equal to root 2 whole power 2k into t of n by 2 power 2k plus 2k into root n. Now substitute the values. We know the value of 2k equal to log n. Then we get root 2 power log n into t of 1 plus log n into root n. We can write root 2 power log n as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power log n into t of 1 is 1 plus root n into log n. We can write this as 2 power 1 by 2 log n into 1 plus root n into log n. We can write 2 power log n power 1 by 2 as n power 1 by 2 and root n into log n. Now it is root n plus root n into log n. Now taking root n common, we get root n into log n plus 1. Therefore t of n equal to root n into log n plus 1. This is our answer. So I am going with option A. Thank you guys.